Welcome to Study with Scholar channel. Today I am going to brief you about a very wonderful course which is fashion designing, and which is this is for the students those who are creative minded and have a passion to make their career in fashion designing. So there are different types of fashion designers. First one is apparel fashion designer. Apparel designer are also known as clothing designer. These design different types of outfits such as party, casual, morning and evening wear. This type of fashion designer careers needs to design clothes for fashion show, events and also individual clients for their personal requirement. Designers also make clothes for big brands and for retail stores. The next one is a footwear designer. Footwear designer designs and create different types of footwear. They work in the manufacturing industry, retail companies and high street shops. They may also collaborate with the apparel uh, designers to bring the best product. And the third one is fashion accessories designer. Fashion accessory designer design accessories that complements the entire looks. The design uh, jewelries, handbags, belts, and other items. Fashion accessories designers also collaborate with the footwear and apparel designers to make a bridge between the whole style and statement. Costume designer is the next one. Costume designers make costumes for motion pictures and television production. They research the style one during the period in which the performance is taking place. These types of fashion designers careers works with the directors and select and create appropriate attire according to their production requirement. The next one is jewelry designer. Jewelry designer works to produce accessories who match the dress with precious metals such as diamonds, beads, and gemstones. Since ancient times, jewelers has been there, and this is what they are upgrading with their self. So, however, their daily working life includes experience and knowledge of design processes such as cutting, forming, polishing, setting stones, stacking, welding, and engraving. And this is a very wonderful course, and this course for those students who wanted to make their career, you can either do a degree or diploma or certificate course depending upon your requirement, and from for which uh, you want to do a specialization. So this is a course having a good opportunities for in industry. And let me uh, show you, or let me explain you what are the opportunities are there, career opportunities in fashion designing. You can work as in garment and textile export houses, textile and fabric manufacturing unit. You can work as branded fashion showrooms. You can work in television film industry. You can open your own boutique if you have good experience and you have good finance, so you can open your own boutique also. And you can work in retail chain, or you can work as an independent or freelancer fashion designer, or else you can work as a teacher in a training institute of fashion designing. So these are the career opportunities after completing a fashion designing course. And as I've explained you that this course is for those students or who are having an uh, passion to work as a fashion designer or fashion industry. So they can of course and join this fashion industry. The fees may vary according to which course you are joining. If you are going for diploma course, or if you are going for a degree course, or either you are going for a certificate course, depending upon the which if you want to learn the whole section, all the four types of designing, then it may vary. Or else you can learn a part of section of fashion designing, so the fees may vary, and then according to it. So it then basically the fashion designer is filling a color in a person's life by adding a different color. And the role of the fashion designer is very simple. It is that he has to predict the future. I mean, what are the trends are going to be in fashion, and that keeping in mind, the fashion designer sketches and studies the trend in the design. As a career, as a fashion designer needs to attend trade shows and also visit manufacturers to select fabrics and terms. Designers then transform those material into various types of clothing according to the market demand and also to the specific requirement of the clients. The product is then marketed to the retailer and the wholesaler. So it is very good course, and if you are looking forward to do this course, you can go it, and it is you can join this course after 10th, or if you have completed SSC or 10th standard, or else you can do it after once you have completed your 12th. So you can go for it, and you can learn fashion designing, and you can use, and you can think, and you can develop your own innovations. And definitely it is having a good opportunities in market. So if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries related with this, so please comment me in comment section. Thank you very much.